what we're going to do is do a little bit of a test here on the SiteStak, and we've got Michael Wright. Mike, you're a professional when it comes to the drainage systems here, and you're the person and the team member that uses this quite often, aren't you?
Yes, I am, Mike, yes.
So tell me a little bit about the difference, what you used to do before when you actually had to do this drainage and to actually cut the pipe we see here.
As you may realise, if we're in a hole, we'd be cutting on the side of the bank. If we were doing internals, we'd be cutting on the cavity on the floor using a block. So just to raise the pipe and cut it. So it'd be a lot more difficult than what this is. This is fantastic, this thing.
So I've really challenged you here today to help with the cutting procedure, but I'm doing the most important thing, folks. I'm putting the clamp in place. So, you know, I've worked really, really hard to master that. Sits on the side of this particular unit. This is set up, so I'm going to stand back and let you do the hard work. So I'll come out of the way and just see how easy this can be done, folks. Fantastic, isn't it? It's great to see that. So quick, so smooth there, isn't it, on the edges? And also, you're in an upright position.
Yep.
You know, from your perspective, doing a lot of those, if you're bending down, all the rest of it, it's going to end up hurting you at the end of the day, isn't it?
Of course it is, yeah. So all I'd have to do now is chamfer that using the chamfer drill.
Yep.
So I could do that for you now if you like.
Let's do that, let's do that, yep.
So as you can see now, that has got a lovely chamfer on that now.
Oh yeah, and so there's no rough sections, there's nothing on there. So that's then going to sit inside, obviously, one of these joints, and it's just so important, isn't it, that you get that seal right.
Yeah, because obviously if you haven't got the correct chamfer, you're going to pinch the rubbers, which will make the seal not seal.
Yeah,
if you like.
exactly, yeah.
So if I just grease that up now, push on there.
Yep.
Oh, that's it.
Now this length that is actually from end to end here, that's actually the perfect size for when you're cutting this section, isn't it?
Yeah, for a rocker pipe, yeah. So we'd have rockers, one in the house, one going through the house, and then another one going outside. So you'd have 3 rockers and all. So you can imagine if we've got 4 or 5 outlets, you're going to need 3 rockers for every outlet.
Right, and that ends up being a lot of work.